Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, Chaince Digital Holdings Inc. CD is filing an 8K detailing a director and officer departure, and I am seeing a departure that could signal more than meets the eye. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. While a key executive is leaving, the timing and stated reasons are what catch my attention, especially given recent company news. So, what we have here is a standard 8K filing. This form is used by public companies to announce major events that shareholders should know about. Think of it like a company's urgent bulletin board. This specific filing is a current report, meaning it is for something that is happening right now or very recently, not something planned for the future like in an annual filing. The big event happened on the 3rd of June 2026. This is the date that really matters for the news within this report. The company in focus is Chaince Digital Holdings Inc, often traded under the ticker symbol CD. Now, for a little context, you might have seen recent headlines about Chaince Digital exploring brain-computer technology for space, and their stock even jumped on approval for some AI initiatives. This company is definitely trying to make some waves. The core of this filing is item 5.02. This section deals with changes in a company's leadership. When a director leaves or a top officer steps down, it is usually reported here. And that is exactly what we have. Wilfred Daye, who is both a member of the board of directors and the chief strategy officer, has resigned. This change is effective immediately as of the 3rd of June 2026. Now, here is where things get interesting. The filing states that Mr. Daye's resignation was voluntary, and there were no disagreements with the company about its operations, policies, or practices. This is the standard official language companies use. But sometimes when a high-level strategist leaves, especially at a time when the company is making bold moves like exploring space technology, it is worth digging a bit deeper. What could prompt a voluntary departure from a role like Chief Strategy Officer right when the company is pushing into new, ambitious areas? While the filing paints a picture of an amicable split, the reality could be more complex. Sometimes, a voluntary resignation without reported disagreements can mask differences in vision or strategy. Given Chaince Digital's recent venture into brain-computer technology for space, it is possible Mr. Daye had a different outlook on these new initiatives or their execution. A chief strategy officer is typically tasked with charting the company's long-term course, so their departure, even if seemingly smooth, can leave a void in strategic direction. Looking at the broader picture of Chaince Digital Holdings Inc, it is a financial services company in the capital market sector. Its market cap is around $386 million, with a recent stock price of $4.9. They have a relatively small employee count of just 13 people. This lean structure means every individual plays a critical role. The recent surge in stock price tied to space AI initiatives shows investor excitement about their forward-looking projects. But a key strategist leaving right in the midst of this could temper that enthusiasm or indicate a shift in focus that isn't yet fully public. When individuals with significant roles, particularly those steering strategy, depart without clear conflict, it often prompts questions about what might be happening behind the scenes. Does this signal a shift away from the bold, seemingly speculative ventures into more traditional or stable operations? Or is it a sign that the company has found a new direction that Mr. Daye did not align with? Without more information, it is hard to say definitively, but voluntary resignations of key personnel are always events to monitor closely, especially when they occur during periods of significant strategic exploration. The report itself is dated the 5th of June 2026, which is just a couple of days after the actual resignation event. This shows the company is acting promptly to inform the public. The filing is signed by Shi Chu, who holds the title of Chief Executive Officer. This signifies that the CEO has reviewed and signed off on this disclosure, acknowledging the departure of Mr. Daye. The risk I am watching is whether this departure represents a fundamental change in the company's ambitious strategic direction, potentially impacting future innovation or investor confidence in their long-term vision. It suggests that even with exciting new projects, internal alignment on strategy remains crucial, and its absence can lead to key personnel changes. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.